Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Peugeot 3008. So from any screen, you've got the telephone switch here. You click the telephone switch. There's nothing connected, so it's showing Bluetooth search. But if you go to options, Bluetooth connection, and you'll see there's a phone listed. It's trying to connect to it, but there's a bin at the top. If you click the bin at the top, changes that to the bin signal, so you can delete any phones. Delete the selected Bluetooth device. Yes, that's it gone.